Hello everyone, welcome to ITCpower, empower your business. Today we will show you our trailer light towers. The trailer diesel mobile light tower is primarily designed for use in road construction, emergency operations, and road repair work. It features a standard 7 meters extendable mast that ensures smooth and stable elevation. The tower is equipped with 400-watt LED lights that are adjustable up to 350 degrees, providing a wide range of illumination. The light tower is powered by a 5 kW silent water-cooled diesel generator. We offer a wide range of engines brands for our customers to choose from, such as Cobra and Yamaha. It's equipped with two large 12-inch wheels for easy mobility. Any interest, please contact us.